Pre-intermediate. My name is Jeniffer Lozano, and in this moment I'm going to give you the answers to the questions with the special topic conditionals. So, hello, and let's start. Number 1. If you study English hard, what will you do? If I study English very hard, I will work as English teacher in a private school. Number 2. If you only had 24 hours to live, what would you do? If I had 24 hours to live, I would spend a special time with special people to me. Number 3. I failed my English test. If I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. Number 4. If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, what can I do? If you don't know some words in English, you can search them in a dictionary. Number 5. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be? I would be a panther if I could be an animal. Number 6. If you hadn't studied this career, which other would you have studied and why? If I hadn't studied bachelor's degree in foreign language, I would have studied vet because I love animals and I help them, especially wild animals. Number 7. If it rains tomorrow, what will you wear? If it rains tomorrow, I will wear boots, a coat, jeans, a special worn cap, and obviously I will carry my umbrella. Number 8. What happens if your smartphone falls into the toilet? If my smartphone fell into the toilet, I would buy another one. Number 9. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do and why? If I could be invisible for a day, I will make jokes in my work and the street because the people need a different day in their lives. The daily routine strays out. Number 10. Babies cry if they have a lot of hungry. Number 11. It rained really hard yesterday, and you could know what you planned to do. If it had not rained, what would you have done? I would have gone to the Nora Jones concert if it hadn't rained. If you eat lots of fast food, what will happen? If I eat lots of fast food, I will get chubby and I'll have a bad health.